very good morning to everyone present here. Myself Shravika Krishna Devade, student of BSc second year, and I am here to present you a seminar. So let's just start with it. Now let's just start with a question. Does everyone knows about the metal complexes? Yes. What does it contain? It has a central atom and a ligand. Now in studying the formation of this central complexes. Yes. Now in studying the formation of these metal complexes, we have to study two stabilities. These are, first is thermodynamic stability and the second is kinetic stability. So in today's class we are going to see particularly about kinetic stability. Kinetic stability refers to the speed with which substitution occurs, which means it deals with the reaction, means during the formation of the reaction. Now what does it mean? We will understand it with the help of this reaction. It is a metal ligand complex when it reacts with any kind of XYZ ligand. It leads to the formation of Ml n-1, and this any X ligand is present in between the coordinate sphere, while one ligand outside the coordinate sphere. Now we have to study we are judging the stability of this complex. Okay. Now kinetic stability deals with the activation energy of the compound, or we can say that kinetic stability is decided by the activation energy. Now does anyone know what does activation energy means, or energy of activation? We will understand it. With the help of two graphs. You might be familiar with this graph. It is a potential energy and the progress of reaction graph. Now, scientists in the year 1915 classified the metal complexes, this kinetic stability, on the basis of two complexes. They are labile as well as inert complexes. Now, we will understand this. So, this is where reactant is present, and here formation of product takes place. Now the distance between the reactant and this transition state, the distance between this reactant molecule and the transition state is known as EA, which means activation energy. And again we are going to draw one graph. Reactant we can write MLN, which we were used in that reaction, and this is EA. So this is transition state. So between A and B, can you tell me which has the highest activation energy? Which graph? A, right? A graph is having highest activation energy. So as activation energy is high, the reactant molecule will take time to cross this transition state. Okay, so it will show less reactivity between the reaction molecules, and as EA, activation energy is low, activation energy is high in graph number A. So reactivity, what will be the reactivity? It will high or low? Will reactivity will increase or decrease? As activation energy is high, will molecules react? No, they do not react. As it takes time to react, the reactant molecule reactivity is low, and we all know if the reactivity is low, stability is always high. and these complexes are known as labile complexes. As the labile complexes have higher reactivity, we will understand it with the help of an example.